missing you.
I've been missing you,
Missing you.
I got the roses, I got the wine. Well, it looks you will be here on time. This is a place we used to go with romantic music and the lights down low. And as you stand there, amazed at the door, and you're wondering what all this is for. It's just a simple thing from me to you, the lady that I adore. 'Cause there's something that you should know, is that I've been missing you more than words can say. And I've been thinking about it every day. And the time we had, just dancing nice and slow. And I said, now I found you, I'll never let things go. There is no reason to things that we do. You could break a heart with just a word or two, and take a lifetime to apologize. When it won your love, it's the front of your eyes, and I will fall to my knees like a fool if that's the only way of getting through. You see, if I think you are beautiful, someone else gonna feel it too. So there's only one thing to